Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to link your email address on Mecha. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, you should see these options, this option that appear. So all you have to do is select one of them. And then from here, you should see this option, link email. So select that. And then you should see there's a brief description here. So secure your account by linking your email, check in monthly to receive cargo rocket beacons. So if you want to link your email address to the game, simply select link account. And then from here, type in the email address that you'd like to use to link to that particular account. Now keep in mind that you must have a valid email address so that you can get the verification code and you can type it in. And once you're done, you can simply click on confirm and you should successfully link your email account. So let me just type in my email address that I'll use for this game. So once you type in your email address, simply select get verification code, and then you should see verification code sent. So all you have to do is simply access your email and type in the verification code that you have received. And then once you're done, simply select confirm. And then you should see this option, successfully linked, and now you can receive your rewards from linking your email address to the game. Once you're done, simply select close, and there you go. You have successfully linked your email address to the game. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.